doing?
What?
Did you just double dip that chip?
Excuse me?
You double dipped the chip.
Double dipped? What are you talking about?
You dipped the chip, you took a bite, and you dipped again.
So?
That's like putting your whole mouth right in the dip. Look, from now on, when you take a chip, just take one dip and end it.
Well, I'm sorry, Timmy, but I don't dip that way.
Oh, you don't, huh?
No. You dip the way you want to dip. I'll dip the way I want to dip.
Give me the chip!
Hey!
Give me the chip!
What the heck is that stuff?
Rice cakes. Started my diet last night.
You put jelly on them?
Yes. Do you have a problem with that?
You've been on a diet for 12 hours and already you're this cranky?
Yes. As a matter of fact, after work, I'll probably be crashing my car into a Taco Bell. What's it to you?
Nothing. I just hate it when you're on a diet.
Yeah, well, that's because you're little and tiny and cute. You never have to eat stuff like rice cakes. Ought to just cram this down your throat.